secrets that it hid. Now he's got superpowers, he's no ordinary kid, he's fantastic. So if you see him, you might be in for a big surprise. He'll turn into an alien before your very eyes. He's slimy, creepy, fast and strong. He's every shape and size. He's fantastic.
After performing the experiment, we were able to obtain the following data. First and foremost, we were able to obtain H1 and H2. Afterwards, we collected the volume in 10-second time. With the following data that we have gathered, we were able to compute for the discharge, which is equal to volume over time, and HF, which is equal to H1 minus H2. We were also able to come up with the velocity using the formula discharge over area. After computing for the discharge, velocity, and HF, we were now able to obtain the frictional loss, which is equal to HF times 2 times gravity times diameter all over L, which is length, times V, which is velocity squared.